Hello, my name is John Wales, and I own a production company out of Morgantown, West Virginia called Subaquatic Productions. And we got the opportunity to test out some of the new chain hoists, the Mode Free Hoist, battery-powered chain hoist. The shipping was fairly quick. It came out of California. The packaging that it came in was very adequate. It was shipped on a pallet and wrapped in saran wrap and cardboard. The road case came in perfect condition. Our model is a 1-ton motor with a 20-meter chain. The road case and motor in it could be easily picked up by 2 people. Included with the chain hoist was just the manual. I set up my own router, and I've also tried using the phone in pickle mode, just hotspotting straight off of the phone to control it. With this being a wireless hoist, the only ports on the hoist itself is a charging port and an access panel for the battery. The seals for the shipping were a little bit hard to get off, but it kept it secure, so not a big deal. A pair of wire cutters took them right off. The build quality of the cases was very high. It's a fairly heavy device, light as far as chain hoists go, but heavy as far as equipment goes, so it needs to be a pretty beefy road case. It had ample room for spare shackles, the charger itself for the hoist, and enough for the chain bag and accessories. Here is the charger itself. It's kind of an aviation plug into a Molex plug. It charged in about 4 hours to full charge, and it lasted us our whole festival that we just did. When we were done the festival, I checked the battery remaining, and it was 75%. And we had been using it on a line array system, so there were lots of up and down motions, and we did downfly the speaker system a couple of times. It wasn't the full length of the chain, but it was a significant portion. You'll see later. The battery does prefer to fit in one way, and it's not super clearly marked, but I mean, it's also not that big of a deal. The battery compartment door closes well. The one thing is, it did occasionally, that knob that I'm holding there, did occasionally catch on the side of the road case. The power button was secure. The Wi-Fi setup was pretty straightforward with one exception. The manual said it prefers the 2.4G band instead of the 5G band. On the YouTube video, it shows setup on the 5G band. I had success with the 5G band. So for that, I set the Wi-Fi SSID to mode_router_5G and the password as shown here, mode123456. In addition, I tried using it from my phone, renaming my phone to mode_router_5G, and had success using it in pickle mode, which you'll see later. I have been recommended by other people who use this hoist to make sure that you change it from the default settings so that anyone who attends a show can't just get into your wireless network or control it straight from their phone and adjust it. Although the only issue he ever had with it, he said that it was at a tech meetup conference, so they were just messing with each other. Here you can see us on site hooking it up to a fly bar for some line arrays, and this is also where I was using it in pickle mode straight from my phone. So pretty convenient to have control over it right next to the motor. One thing that I would like to see improved on in the app is using it in pickle mode, especially for line arrays. You have a lot of up and down motion, a lot of quick motion, and after a couple of up and down motions, it'll lock you out for 5 seconds. It would be cool if there was a mode that allowed you to make those minor adjustments without it locking out. Overall, I'm excited to continue using this hoist and expand our inventory to getting a couple more. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching.